Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Starting on the Tesla daily chart, again, narrow range day. Today, not much volatility going on, still potential double tops, still in play with now the rotations on the daily above the base, so that makes it a higher probability only if it's triggered. So if we get a close below 908.50, already covered the targets. It could possibly return to 805. The major areas are about 855, 830, and 805. Let's jump to a 4 hour real quick. 4 hour, you see, I have a significant level marked off here, which is significant to us, coming in about 991.50. Closing below that, we'll start watching for the potential pullback to about 960, bottom of the 4 hour rotation zone. Jumping back to the daily. Daily, the key level is about 972.50, so you can watch before you get to 960. I'd watch it close below 991.57 on a shorter term. 972, then 960, and then the next target down would be about 943, and then we'd start watching the bottom of the daily rotation zone coming in at 917. To the upside, nothing's changed on the target, so if we get above 1027, 1042, 1057, and 1070 are the next three targets to the upside. That's really all that's going on. The only major pattern right now, you can keep watching because it's holding the rotation zone, so it still favors an upside move. So on a strong rotation up, those are your key levels. Other than that, if it does start going down, we have the potential major reversal signal, which would take it back down to mid-May levels. That's what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.